我要叫什么？接呼一下我朋友，接会。
I'm against you, Akis.
Nice.
Yeah.
Can I change character, or am I locked to this
Yeah,
character?
you need to die.
To die?
And then you go top left.
That will never change.
Death screen.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. For some reason, this hamster has
讲的是我会接待呀，小美。
This person bought a meal from McDonald's.
我还是在我房间里面，在这看到聊天室，但是我去拿点东西吃 ，OK？
Food never broke down or decomposed.
French fries pretty much look like fries that just
但是15分钟，10分钟再开始，guys。
The bread has never molded. As a matter of fact, it's not even cracked. It's pretty dry and brittle.
But there's no mold on it.
No mold, and it never rotted at all.
That's crazy.
This man suffers from Parkinson's disease, but thanks to deep brain stimulation, he is able to control his body at the push of a button.
Turning it back on. Wow.
In case you didn't know, you have two large bones in your forearm. When your palms are facing up, they are perpendicular and don't touch, but when your palms are facing down, the bones cross each other. This company made a window that can transform into a balcony.
太麻烦了。
There's something called the talk box that lets you make some pretty interesting sounds.
I love my talk box, baby, yeah, baby, oh, yeah, yeah. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Here's how effective different face coverings are at stopping your breath.